Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Rose.
Okay, my name is Rose too. And welcome to your starter speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's look at this picture. This is a picture of a nice park. Here is the robot. What about the ball? Where is the ball? Okay, which one is, where is the apple? Very good. Now let's look at here. Which is the hat? I'm putting the hat on the girl's head. Now you put the hat in front of the girl. In front of the girl, okay. Which is the helicopter? Put the helicopter next to the kite. Okay, which is the bear? Put the bear between the cat and the dog. Okay, very good. What is this?
It's the bird.
What's the color of the bird?
It's blue.
How many birds are there?
There are 3.
Okay, what is the boy doing?
So it's
Holding
blue.
holding balloons. Okay, what about this boy? Tell me about this boy. For example, what is he doing or what's the color of his hair?
Name is black cat.
Okay, and what is this, Rose?
Mouse.
Do you like mice?
No.
What color are the mice?
It's white.
They are?
They are white.
What is this?
It's black.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes.
What present do you like for your birthday? Would you like a bike?
Sticker.
Okay, stickers. What is this?
Toy roll.
Do you play with toy lorries?
No.
No, why?
No.
Okay. Which are your favorite toys?
It's yo-yo.
What is this?
It's camera.
Do you have a camera?
Yes.
What color is your camera?
It's
Pink. Okay. Now, is your house big or small?
It's small.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
What about your the wall in your bedroom? What's the color of the wall in your bedroom?
It's
Color white, color blue,
blue.
color blue. Okay, so that's all, Rose. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.